HiKOKI, formerly known as Hitachi Koki India Private Limited, manufactures one of the most high-quality power tools and accessories, engineered to offer maximum efficiency to the users. The tool comes in a case with a warranty card, and user manual, which completely describes how to use it in simple steps, pictorially as well as in words. Now we will see the application of this tool. The Japanese technology installs smart features to these products to make the work comfortable and easy.